Ahoy mateys, and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, Captain Microwave is going to be nuking some Murphy's oil soap, but not the whole bottle because that would be a waste. He's going to be doing it inside of this little cup, and I'm hoping it does like the detergent and just jizzes all over Lindsay the microwave and gets her pregnant. No, I'm going to be using protection, and that is the perfect time to give a reminder. Safety is always my #1 concern. I'm hoping that this is as interesting of an episode as I predict it'll be. Well, it looks like the Murphy's oil soap is done, and oh shit! Son of a bitch, that's a lot of jizzy soap just spewed everywhere, and it is just so weird looking. It looks like it came straight out of a pigeon's ass and just spewed all over the fucking plate. It is just surreal looking, and I would say from this, Lindsay is definitely feeling a lot of pleasure from this, but This ain't the first time I got white goo all over Lindsay. I got lucky with her right before the show started. Anyway, moving on, as you can see, the oil soap did bubble over. It was, as I predicted, much like the detergent. Now, looking at this, is this safe to microwave? I don't see why not. Alright. Guess I'm going to declare this a good idea. But if you do it at home, make sure it's inside of a plastic container first, so don't just blur everywhere.